Does the burden of a home loan seem too much to bear? Ever dream of a debt-free life? If you nodded your head in agreement, you're not alone. Managing high monthly installments, commonly known as EMIs, is a common struggle that many homeowners deal with. When these EMIs start consuming more than 40 to 50% of your net monthly income, it's natural to feel the pinch and desire to close the loan sooner. Now here's the twist. Banks and lending organizations, clever as they are, always collect the interest part of your repayment first, then the principal. This means that the initial years of your loan repayment are heavily focused on interest. It's like a slow climb uphill, isn't it? But what if we told you that there are ways to repay your home loan faster and live the life you've always dreamed of? Stay tuned as we navigate this uphill journey together, one step at a time. Let's dive into some practical tips and strategies to repay your home loan faster. First, consider your monthly surplus. If you find yourself with a bit of extra cash at the end of the month, instead of spending it on non-essential items, consider transferring it to your home loan account. For example, if you've been diligent about budgeting and have $200 left over, that's $200 that can go towards reducing your debt. Next, think about bonuses or additional incentives. Whenever you receive an unexpected windfall, such as a performance bonus at work or a cash gift for your birthday, instead of splurging, make an extra payment on your home loan. This is a great way to make a dent in your debt without feeling the pinch. Third, keep an eye on your investment returns. If they're exceptionally high, consider booking the profit and transferring that amount to your home loan. For instance, if your stocks have done particularly well this year and you've made a significant profit, use some of that money to pay down your mortgage. Fourth, try increasing your EMI amount every year by 5 to 10% as your income increases. This is similar to what we do in step-up SIPs. If you've received a raise at work, instead of increasing your lifestyle expenses, increase your EMI. This strategy can significantly shorten your loan term. Lastly, curb your unwanted expenses. Are there subscriptions you can cancel? Meals you can cook at home instead of eating out? Each dollar saved is a dollar that can go towards repaying your home loan. Remember, the idea is to start repaying your home loan as soon as possible. It's advisable to aim to repay the maximum amount within 7 years of the loan commencement. This can help you save substantially on the interest component. By implementing these strategies, you can start making substantial progress towards repaying your home loan. But before you start applying these strategies, it's crucial to understand which loans to prioritize. Now, you might think that focusing on your home loan should be your top priority, given its size. However, it's wiser to first tackle your personal loans, education loans, and credit card loans. Here's why. Unlike other loans, a home loan helps you build an appreciating asset, your home. On the flip side, personal loans, credit card loans, and even certain education loans often fund depreciating assets. These are assets that lose value over time. So, when you're paying interest on these loans, you're essentially paying more for something that's worth less and less. It's like pouring water into a leaking bucket. Instead, aim to seal these leaks first. Pay off these debts before focusing on your home loan. This way, you're not just repaying loans, but also building wealth. By being strategic about which loans to pay off first, you can optimize your financial management and get closer to a debt-free life. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed today. We've looked at the burden of home loans, the largest loans most individuals will ever shoulder. The weight of these loans can be especially heavy when EMIs consume more than 40 to 50% of your net monthly income. To ease this burden, we've shared practical strategies for repaying your home loan faster, from transferring monthly surpluses and bonuses to your home loan account, to increasing your EMI annually and curbing unnecessary expenses. We've also highlighted the importance of prioritizing loans. Remember, while a home loan helps create an appreciating asset, other loans often lead to depreciating assets. It's always advisable to clear off these other loans before tackling your home loan. Remember, living a debt-free life is possible with the right strategies and mindset. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical financial advice. Until next time, keep striving for financial freedom.